Oh yeah, when you like to beat their thing again, yeah buddy, I would. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here he comes. Charlie Lyle, Cave of Confusion. Here we go. Watch him go now. Here we go. Here we go now.
Nope, don't want him here tonight.
Lester Martin, bring it on down now.
Love you, bye.
Looky here, looky here.
All right, love you, bye.
Now, good. What about the Bluegrass State? Driving a Dodge Dually. Any Dodge fans here? Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. They've had them on sale, ain't they? No, they're all right. I'm just kidding. Don't come up here. Here we go. Rodney Center, Scottsville, Kentucky. Let's see what he can do. Them Dodges ain't bad, are they? I mean, they are bad.
That board can't put on that 6
Dodge just moves in the first place, 289.15. 289.15 for Rodney Centers. Chris Stoner will be pulling for Michael Stoner next. All right, Chris Newsom, here we go, Westmoreland, Tennessee on his Dodge truck. Watch him go, ladies and gentlemen. Watch that smoke roll in a minute. Boy, sounds funny, don't it? Wow, hot dog time. Watch him go now. Oh, what about that? Ain't that Ford truck pretty? Two flags, we be ready to go truck pulling. All right, Dodge fans, here comes another one. Tonight. Let's see, here he comes. Wow, look at the smoke. Give him a round of applause. That Duramax pretty stout now, ladies and gentlemen. Joe Underwood, the Bandit. Oh, what about the Bandit?
Waste.